Okay, I'm going to give you a quick tour through here. This is Tuscany Reserve. Gorgeous entry. It's a gated community. Very high-end homes out here. These are all custom. If you find a home out here for sale, you better jump on it quick. You're in Venetian Bay. They have some beautiful homes out here. It's directly across the street from Paytas Homes Promenade. These are way different style homes though. They've got a couple in here for sale. They're very grand. They have tile style roofs. None of them look the same, as you can see. Beautiful, absolutely beautiful homes. And it's more mature. It was built a couple years ago, and the landscaping's been able to grow in and has turned out to be a really nice area to live. They have areas like that, little park across the street. We're just, like I said, we're just giving you a quick drive through here. I just want you to see some of the homes. If you have any questions about any of these homes, feel free to give me a call or put something in the comments and I'll contact you back. But they do have some homes in here for sale. They don't come often, so if you are looking on Zillow or Trulia or Realtor.com or one of my sites, you know, definitely get a call to me as soon as possible so we can get you in here and looking at them. Any of the homes that you see here, see they have different water treatments, or actually water features here. Across the street is going to be the new Paytas subdivision over there, the newer part of Promenade. And but anyway, we can do video tours of these homes. We can get into any of them. Not every realtor can go into pretty much every home from $50,000 to $10 million in this area. Our team can definitely do that. But I just wanted to kind of show you some of these properties out here. And like I said, we're in Tuscany Reserve in Venetian Bay, New Smyrna Beach, Florida. And I don't know if you can really see that well because the sun's kind of shining on us. It's a park right there. There's another water feature down at the end of that street. But I just wanted you to see some of these cool homes back here. And it's a quiet community, gated. The gate's shut at night. And I want you to see, this is my favorite home in here. We drove past it earlier, but I kind of want you to see it a little bit better now. It's just a cool home. Here's another big boy home right here. So, but like I was saying, I just wanted to give you a quick drive through here, show you some different style homes, what you can get. Homes in Florida are still priced reasonably. Don't wait. And it is literally 5 days from Christmas. Driving around with a t-shirt on, 72 degrees out right now, and beautiful. Christmas Day, they're predicting 80s. I don't know why you'd want to live anywhere else. And we'll go to another community.